guys, welcome back. So went ahead and did a bunch of stuff today, so I'm gonna try to remember, but I'm not going to count on it. Went ahead and went around and made sure all the disconnect switches were turned on and labeled the boxes with the panel and circuit number and voltage. So there's about 8 or 10 of those, so that's one of the things I did today. And then I installed this light right here, this box for a light. If you remember, there was a switch leg over here, a wire, no box luckily. It was strapped in, so I just pulled it off and then took it up to the ceiling, up and over on a couple slack wires. I don't know if you can see that right there, strapped it in a couple of times and then put the spreader bar. I went ahead and pulled the power for this cabinet transformer right above there. So that wire on top, going through the wall, going to the home run box on the other side, tied into the circuit 4, and it just needs a cover now. So that was done. So I started in here in the morning. I had to re-pull this whip. I just did like an 8-foot piece. Used the same hole because I didn't feel like using a KO seal. So it kind of bends around the top of the box to the left, and then goes back down to the cassette thingy, and then labeled these as well. Actually, that's just the transformer, which is the same thing. Or not transformer, the disconnect switch. So I labeled those for the cassettes because those are part of the FCU disconnects or whatever. So that was part of that. Then I worked on putting the covers on these boxes. Right here, labeling those as well, because some of them are incorrect. So I fixed those, changed it to the right circuit number. And then I went around tying these batteries together, so make sure the batteries are charging on the emergency circuits. So that little red light right there. Went around and did a bunch of those. I thought I did all of them that I needed, but he wanted me to do some more, so there's still a few left that I need to do, like 4 or 5. So do that on Monday, and then also on Monday I need to do something else that I just forgot. So I'll think of that later.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey man, I look at it like this. There was an elevator up there. No, I'm going to pick.
Alright guys, as you can see, I feel sorry for the cabinet guys because they have to take the cabinets up the stairs, 6 flights or 5 flights of stairs, and that really sucks. Anyways, locking up the gang box here. I need to charge my radio and battery. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. The things that I have to do on Monday are putting some more cover plates on the boxes in the hallways, and there was something else I thought. Anyways, I'll figure that out, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright guys, so the things for Monday include putting the hallway covers on the boxes, the 4 square blank plates, and then the 4 square blank plates on the offices, where I said I was going to do that like today or yesterday, but I didn't get around to it. So just putting on blank plates on a couple spots, and then working on the emergency test switches. And gosh, I always forget, like I'm missing something. And then whether I'm missing something or not, then I'll eventually be going up to the 6th floor to start all over and do the lights again. So can't wait. It just seems like there's so much stuff to do, because there is. 1 second. Alright, so I guess I'm not missing anything, but once I do that, well, like I said, once I do all those things on the 5th floor, then I'll be going up to the 6th floor to do the same thing, starting over. I think people are already dropping the lights in and screwing them down to the grid and then shooting slack wires. So basically you just have to tie them into junction boxes in the walkway parts, and then in the offices I think they're already ready to go. So anyways, I'll start putting the whips in the junction boxes in the offices, and then people will start dropping lights and stuff in the rooms that just got ceiling gridded, and the big common areas and stuff like that. So as you can see, it's light outside, so I didn't have to work 12 hours today, so I'm super happy about that. I mean, it would have been it would have been nice to save a little bit more money, but I'm getting kind of tired, so it's cool that they opted to only work 8 hours today, so I'm happy about that. So early Thanksgiving break at 2:30, and have Thursday and Friday off. So drop a comment if you have a video idea for me for one of the next 2 days, and drop some questions that you want me to answer. Otherwise, the video is going to be non-existent or very short. So drop some comments that you want me to answer so I can actually make a video like for 5 or 6 minutes or something like that. I'd appreciate that because this is your video, so I need some involvement here. But thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate it. Sorry, I feel like I repeated myself like 17 times. But I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving break. Hopefully you're not working on Friday, but at least you get Thanksgiving off, hopefully. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow, I guess. Not for work though, but from the house. And I'll see you back at work on Monday. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed. Drop a like if you enjoyed it. It'll help me out, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. And see you back here tomorrow. And so many things to remember while making videos. Check out the description box for social medias. Hopefully you'll follow me along on there. Interact with you guys, it'll be fun. And I think that will do it. I probably forgot something, but anyways, I remembered all that stuff, so that'll do it, guys. God bless. I will see you tomorrow. Peace out. And if I didn't mention it, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I live stream. I might be doing some live streams over the next couple days, and it'll also notify you when I